The wonders of the sky. The sky is a vast and ever-changing part of our world. It is something we see every day, but many people don't stop to think about how incredible it is. The sky can be blue, gray, pink, or even full of stars at night. There is so much to discover when we look up. During the day, the sky is usually blue. This happens because of the way sunlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere scatters light, and the blue light is scattered more than other colors, which is why the sky looks blue to us. On a clear day, the sky can seem endless, stretching as far as the eye can see. However, the sky is not always blue. It can change colors throughout the day, especially during sunrise and sunset. When the sun rises in the morning, the sky often turns shades of pink, orange, and red. This happens because the sun is lower on the horizon and the light has to travel through more of the Earth's atmosphere. This scatters the blue light and leaves behind the warmer colors. Sunrises are a peaceful time of day. The world is still quiet, and the sky lights up with beautiful colors as the sun slowly comes up. At sunset, the sky changes colors again. The colors can be similar to a sunrise, with pink, purple, and gold. Sunsets are often breathtaking, and many people like to watch the sun go down to relax after a long day. It is a reminder that even though the day is ending, a new one will come tomorrow. Clouds are another interesting part of the sky. They come in different shapes and sizes. Some clouds are light and fluffy, like cotton candy. These are called cumulus clouds. They usually appear on sunny days. Other clouds are thin and wispy, like streaks of white paint in the sky. These are cirrus clouds, and they're often a sign that the weather will change soon. When the sky turns gray and dark, it usually means rain is coming. Rain clouds, called nimbus clouds, are thick and heavy. They cover the sky and block the sunlight. Sometimes, rain is gentle, with light drops falling from the sky. Other times, there is a storm. Thunderstorms can be loud and frightening, with bright flashes of lightning and the sound of thunder echoing across the sky. But after the rain stops, the sky often clears and the sun comes out again. At night, the sky is filled with stars. If you are far from the city, you can see thousands of stars shining in the dark. These stars are actually huge balls of gas burning far away in space. Some stars are brighter than others, and some form patterns in the sky, called constellations. People have been looking at these constellations for thousands of years. They use them to find their way when traveling long distances. Today, we still enjoy looking up at the stars and wondering about the universe. The moon is another fascinating object in the sky. It changes shape as it orbits the Earth. Sometimes, the moon is full and bright, lighting up the night sky. Other times, only a small part of the moon is visible. This is because of the way the sun's light shines on the moon. The moon has a big effect on the Earth. It controls the tides in the oceans, causing the water to rise and fall. The moon also influences the way some animals behave. For example, some animals are more active during a full moon. The sky is also home to many birds and airplanes. Birds have the ability to soar through the sky with ease. They use their wings to glide and flap, traveling long distances in search of food or a place to rest. Some birds, like eagles, fly high in the sky, while others, like sparrows, stay closer to the ground. Watching birds fly can be peaceful and inspiring. Airplanes, on the other hand, are man-made machines that have allowed humans to travel through the sky. The invention of the airplane changed the world. Today, people can travel from one side of the Earth to the other in a matter of hours. The view from an airplane window is amazing. You can see the clouds below and the vast blue sky all around. It reminds us of how small we are in this big world. The sky also holds other wonders like rainbows. Rainbows appear when sunlight passes through raindrops in the air. The light is split into different colors, creating a beautiful arc in the sky. Rainbows are rare and they don't last long, but when they do appear, they are always a special sight. Sometimes the sky is filled with strange and beautiful lights, like the Northern Lights or Aurora Borealis. These lights are caused by particles from the sun hitting the Earth's atmosphere. The result is a colorful display of lights that dance across the sky. The Northern Lights are most often seen in places close to the North Pole, like Alaska or Norway. The sky is also important for our planet. It protects us from harmful rays from the sun and helps regulate the Earth's temperature. The clouds in the sky can provide shade on hot days and bring rain to water plants and crops. The atmosphere, which is the layer of gases around the Earth, also helps keep the air we breathe clean and safe. However, the sky is not immune to human activity. Pollution can make the sky look dirty and gray, blocking out the sun and stars. Factories, cars, and other machines release gases into the air, which can cause harm to the environment. It's important to take care of our planet so that future generations can enjoy the beauty of the sky as well. In conclusion, the sky is full of wonder and mystery. It changes throughout the day and night, offering us beauty, light, and even protection. Whether we are watching a colorful sunset, gazing at the stars, or flying high above the clouds in an airplane, the sky reminds us of the endless possibilities in our world. We should take the time to appreciate the sky and all it gives to us.